Hello, Janson students, families, staff, and Rosemead community. My name is Mr. Cardenas, and I am the principal here at Janson School. And I would like to take this time to formally welcome you to our first ever Janson Virtual Open House. Although we all much rather be on campus, hanging out with friends and family, having a snow cone, or even having some of those delicious tacos at our awesome PTA sells, during this COVID-19 pandemic, we're unable to do that. However, thanks to the advanced technology and the hard work and skills of our staff, we're still able to present this virtual open house to you. So before we get to the great projects and schoolwork that all of our kids and staff have done, I would like to announce two very special awards that we give out each year here at Janson School. Each year, the Janson staff selects two individuals to receive one, the Janson Teacher of the Year Award, and two, the Janson Classified Support Staff of the Year Award. Several employees are nominated and then selected by the staff. However, before I name the two, I must say everyone, and I do mean every individual here at Janson School, is deserving of this award, especially during this pandemic time where we've changed to distance learning. Everyone has stepped up to the plate and has gone above and beyond to provide the education and the resources needed for all of our students and families. So Janson staff, thank you for all that you do. With that being said, I would like to announce this year's recipients. Our Classified Employee of the Year for the 2020-2021 school year goes to no other than our school librarian, Mrs. Locheo. Congratulations, Mrs. Locheo, on being selected as a 2020-2021 Janson Classified Support Staff Employee of the Year. And our 2020-2021 Teacher of the Year goes to no other than 5th grade teacher, Mrs. Espinal. Congratulations, Mrs. Espinal, and thank you for going above and beyond and providing our students with the education and care that they deserve. Congratulations to both of you, Mrs. Locheo and Mrs. Espinal. We would love to go ahead and celebrate this when we get back, and we will award you your plaques. So at this time, we will now begin our presentation of classrooms, and on behalf of the Janson staff and we want to thank you, the Janson student leaders, and the families for your continued support of our amazing school. So enjoy, sit back, relax, and thank you, and we'll see you soon. Take care, everyone.